Hi guys, do you know what happened when you judge someone or you give them an evil eye? And words of it na you speak it to others pa. You know that any negativity cannot hurt you or harm you, or you cannot be affected by it. Pero once na mag-judge tayo or tayo yung mismong mag-judge sa ibang tao, we are now opening or accepting the vibration of that negativity. So, maaari na tayong maapektuhan din no mga negative na binibigay nila sa atin or what we call the evil eye. Sometimes akala natin porket may nangyayaring chaos or problem in our life, parang may sinisisi tayo na parang meron sigurong taong naiinggit sa akin or parang they judge me. Pero hindi ka talaga nun maaapektuhan unless ginudge mo din sila. Necessary na may sinabi kang masama sa kanila, parang ginudge mo lang yung kung paano sila namumuhay, kung paano sila gumagalaw, or paano sila magsalita, parang something like that. Kasi you already have manifested an evil eye to them just by simply judging the way they live. And of course, meron tayong kanya-kanyang buhay and we should mind our own business if we don't like to be affected by their evil eye. So, if you caught yourself judging someone or may gusto kang i-chismis sa ibang tao or gusto mong questionin yung mga bagay-bagay na hindi mo naman kailangan questionin, you need to let that go and bring the energy of mercy and always see the good in every people. So the more you see good in other people, the more you are being protected from judgment, chaos, and problems in your life. So ayun lang, stay energized, stay curious, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye!